Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you've read by the title, is going to be another makeup video, and as you've read by the title, it's going to be a Taurus makeup look. So according to the color palette which I've been following all this while, the Taurus makeup look is going to be having most of greens and pinks, and we're going to be doing something really subtle and something really tasteful this time. And also thank you all for giving me so much love on my previous videos, and I can't thank you guys enough, and I'm really grateful for all the love you've been showering on my videos. So as I said earlier, we're going to be doing a Taurus makeup look, and it's going to be really subtle for this makeup look too. And I'll also be going to show you my outfit at the end of this video. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and let's get started. So now I have done with my base, and as you can see, put all the foundation, concealer, blush, and then I've put a little bit of shimmer also already. So simple patch. So yeah. And I've already got a lot of pimples on my face. I don't know why. So I have tried to hide them as much as I could. This is how the base looks, and let's start the eyeshadow. So this is the final look of the eyes. I'll apply mascara and maybe liner if it looks good, and I'll be fine. So I'm done with my mascara and I'll be applying lipstick, and I'll be applying this light pink color L'Oreal lipstick. So yeah, that is it with the makeup look. And also I forgot to mention that the inner corner I've applied shimmer powder that is like a highlighter. So I was trying to show that on the camera also, but it wasn't visible. So yeah, this is how the makeup looks. And I've applied a really light color lip shade also. So now I will change into the outfit and I'll be back. So I'm back and I've changed and I've worn this shades of green and a little bit of pink color dress. And I'll show you the full dress in some time. So yeah, this is how the makeup looks finally. And I hope you liked it. So this is the dress, and it has all these shades of green, and then it has these small pearls on the side, and then it has these bell kind of sleeves, and it is mostly a pink and green color shaded dress. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed the makeup session of this video, and I'll attach the pictures in the next. So that brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you liked the makeup session and I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. And for this makeup look, it was a really subtle and a really simple makeup look, and I hadn't put any extra glam stuff in this makeup. So if you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments below what type of makeup looks you want more. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in another video. Bye.